Let's solve valid parenthesis problem. In this problem, we are given a string which contains characters opening and closing brackets. We have to determine if the closing bracket has a corresponding opening bracket. It's very simple. We first have to check the length of the given string. If it is less than 2, return false, because we need at least 2 characters in the string to perform validation process. Then we will initialize an empty stack to perform the validation for each bracket. We will iterate over the string character by character. First of all, we will check whether the size of the stack is 0 or not. If it is 0, we simply have to push the values to the stack. Else, we will check the value of the current character. If the value is equal to any of the opening brackets, we will simply append those values to the stack. Or square opening bracket, append the current value to the stack. Else, we need to check the value at the top of the stack, that is stack.pop. We need to check what is the value at the top of the stack. If the value at the top of the stack is not equal to the opening bracket of the current type, we will return false. Return false. Elif, we need to do the same thing for square and curly braces. Square elif, for curly brackets. After performing the validation, we'll check the length of the stack. If it is equal to 0, then that means all of the closing brackets were processed correctly. If not, then that simply means all of the opening brackets were not present for closing brackets. Submit the solution. Our solution has been accepted, and the time complexity of this solution is big O of n, and the space complexity is also big O of n.